The Matrix 4 is the much anticipated next movie in the hit sci-fi franchise. It's been 17 years since the last film, but the movie is now in production ahead of its 2021 release. Recently, some on-set footage was released showing Keanu Reeves back in his iconic role as Neo. Few movies from the past 2 decades have had the impact of The Matrix. The movie, which was written and directed by Lana and Lily Wachowski and starred Keanu Reeves, was released in June 1999 and was an instant commercial and critical hit. It was brilliantly written and directed mix of intelligent, philosophical sci-fi drama and inventive, thrilling action, and broke new ground in terms of visual effect and 5 years after Speed, crowned Reeves as the decade's greatest and most unlikely action star. Anticipation was high for the 2 sequels, Matrix Reloaded and Matrix Revolutions, which were shot back-to-back and both released in 2003. Unfortunately, they were big disappointments with muddled plotting and very little of the thrilling verve and imagination of the original. There is good stuff in both films, but most fans agreed that they simply didn't live up to the promise of the first movie. Years later, The Matrix is still revered as a modern classic, while the sequels feel like ill-conceived relics from another era. Of course, sequels and reboots are nothing new in Hollywood, but this did feel like a movie series that was done and dusted, and for all its many flaws, Matrix Revolutions did have a pretty conclusive ending. Nevertheless, rumors about The Matrix 4 emerged in May last year, and although these were initially denied, by August, Warner had officially confirmed that the movie was happening. So here is everything we know so far about The Matrix 4. The Matrix 4 title and release date. The Matrix 4 releases on May 21, 2021. Strangely, this is also the date another high-profile Keanu Reeves action sequel, John Wick Chapter 4, hit theaters. Who is coming back? It would be difficult to imagine a new Matrix movie with Keanu Reeves, and he will return to the role as Neo. He will be joined by co-star Carrie-Anne Moss, who played Trinity in the previous films. Reeves' star profile is currently higher than it has been for years, with the ongoing success of John Wick movies and the next year's highly anticipated Bill and Ted Face the Music on the way. Moss was most recently seen in Marvel Netflix show Jessica Jones, the second and final season of which has released last year. Another member of the original cast who is returning is Jada Pinkett Smith, who will reprise her role as Niobe from the second and third Matrix movies. However, one key original cast member who isn't coming back is Hugo Weaving as the villainous Agent Smith due to scheduling issues. Who is new? 3 new actors has been announced so far for The Matrix 4. Yahya Abdul-Mateen II, who played Black Manta in last year's DC Smash Aquaman, will take on a lead role in the movie. Abdul-Mateen II also appeared in the most recent season of Black Mirror and is part of the cast of the new Watchmen series, which premieres this week. If Morpheus is set to appear as a younger man, he would be a great choice to replace Lawrence Fishburne. How I Met Your Mother star Neil Patrick Harris has also been announced as part of the cast, as has Iron Fist Jessica Henwick as a female-like Neo character. Who is directing? Series co-creator Lana Wachowski will return to direct The Matrix 4, although she will doing so without sister Lily. This will be Lana's first solo movie directing credit. Not only did the pair helm the other 3 Matrix movies together, they also directed films such as Bond, Speed Racer, and Jupiter Ascending. One other key name from the older films that might also return is John Wick director Chad Stahelski, who worked as stunt coordinator on the previous movies. It was Stahelski who first leaked that Matrix 4 was in the works and he has said that he would love to be involved if the movie happens. Who is writing the script? The Matrix 4 will be written by Lana Wachowski, Alexander Hammond, and David Michel. Wachowski co-wrote the previous movies with Lily, but this is the first time outside writers have been involved. Interestingly, both Hammond and Michel are best known as novelists rather than screenwriters. However, Hammond did previously work with the Wachowskis on their sci-fi TV show Sense8, while Michel's acclaimed 2004 novel Cloud Atlas was turned into 2013 movie co-directed by the Wachowskis. What's the story? Unsurprisingly, we know virtually nothing about the plot of The Matrix 4 beyond the fact that Neo and Trinity will be back, and Morpheus might feature as a younger man. Obviously, the movie will have to deal with the fact that neither Neo or Trinity survived the end of Matrix Revolutions, but the end of that movie does leave the door slightly open for Neo's return. When the Oracle says she suspects she will see him again someday, we will find out soon enough.